equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this video, we will thoroughly review the touchpad and system of the Lenovo Legion 5. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid any mishaps. Start by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure your device is completely off before proceeding. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to damage any clips as you work your way around the edges. After removing the panel, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, let's take a closer look at the touchpad. If you're experiencing issues, it might be due to dust or debris accumulation. Using a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol, gently clean the surface of the touchpad. This can significantly improve responsiveness. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, check the connections of the touchpad. Ensure that the ribbon cable is securely connected to the motherboard. If it's loose, carefully reattach it. This step is crucial for ensuring that your touchpad functions correctly. If you need assistance, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. After checking the touchpad, let's move on to the internal components. Inspect the cooling fans and heatsinks for dust buildup. Using compressed air, blow out any dust to improve airflow and cooling efficiency. This is particularly important for gaming laptops like the Legion 5, as they can generate a lot of heat during intensive tasks. Once you've cleaned the internals, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws in the same order you remove them to avoid confusion. Tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. Finally, power on your Lenovo Legion 5 and test the touchpad functionality. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully completed a thorough review and maintenance of your device. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to assist you with any problems you may face. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.